lot of people don't seem to realize this, but you do not need to know how your manifestation is going to come about. Think about it like this. If you were to plant a pumpkin in your vegetable garden, you do not need to figure out what is in that pumpkin seed that is going to grow a pumpkin, do you? And that seed contains all the information inside it that is going to grow a pumpkin. But your logical mind cannot even comprehend what is inside that pumpkin seed, can it? So all that you need to do is plant the pumpkin seed, because you can't create the pumpkin seed, you can only plant it. And this is the exact same thing we do with our desires. Just like the pumpkin seed already exists, the reality that we want to be in and experience already exists as well. So we have our desire, which is our seed. But instead of planting the pumpkin seed in the soil, we plant the idea in our mind. And by feeling that we already are the person that we desire to be, just as that pumpkin seed knows exactly what to do to grow a pumpkin, the Lord knows how to materialize our desires outside of us.